Sacha, fix my business, girl.
Sacha, fix my business, please.
Hey, don't scroll. Give me a moment of your time. I have a few questions for you. Are you a business owner and this is the first time in entrepreneurship and you're ready to learn some strategies to help grow your business? Or maybe you're the entrepreneur who is feeling a little overwhelmed in business right now and you're ready to level up. Perhaps you're the entrepreneur who is relaunching and pivoting in their business. Well, if you found yourself in any one of those categories, then I have the masterclass for you. Yes, I do. And it's called Sacha, Fix My Business. My name is Sacha Walton, and I'm a business coach, and I'm ready to be your business coach. I've been in business for over 20 years, and I have learned practical ways and methods that helped me to sustain through challenges and overcome those barriers and those setbacks and everything that an entrepreneur may go through, right? And I'm quite sure we all have been there. But these methods and strategies that I have applied to my business has helped me to scale and to be right here with you guys right now. And in this class, I want you to learn the same methods and practical ways that will help level up your confidence and have you to be ready to be that CEO of your business with growth strategies and ways to implement your ideas into business plans and so forth. So I want you to meet me on April the 11th at 7 p.m. April the 11th, 7 p.m. It's a small investment, you guys. I do understand that we all have expenses and we have a budget. And sometimes we are multitasking through our lives, our personal life and our business. So for $97, that's all the investment is. I want you to click the button, reserve your spot today in this masterclass. Take the steps to invest in your future of your business and allow me to help you level up. Now, the one beautiful thing that I love about this class is the fact that with your purchase and your investment, you will also give back to a young entrepreneur. That's right. A portion of your purchase will go towards a business grant that will be given to young entrepreneurs to help them to establish their business. And we can give back to the future entrepreneurs of tomorrow. Does that sound good? So not only are we embarking on business ownership and entrepreneurship, but we're also becoming social entrepreneurs where we are impacting our society and the future of young entrepreneurs. So once again, April the 11th, I want you to meet me April the 11th at 7 p.m. Let me be your business coach. Let's grow these businesses together, and I will see you there. Thank you for listening.